Hi friends, it's me, Miss Robbie. Today we are going to be learning how to make a Play-Doh bead necklace. So as you can see, I have 4 balls of Play-Doh. It could be any color you would like. And I have a string with beads on it. And I have 2 straws. And that's all you need for this. So with 1 ball at a time, I'm going to pinch off a piece big enough to put a hole through it, and I'm going to twist and squish and roll it into a shape of a little ball. And we're going to do that for all 4 colors of Play-Doh. Now you're probably wondering, why do I have 4 balls all together in big chunks? Well, I will show you in just a moment. I'm going to do something pretty cool with them. Now here comes the cool part. I'm going to take 2 colors and I'm going to mix them together. So I'm going to pinch a little bit off of the green like that. And then I'm going to pinch a little bit off of the red like that. And then I'm going to roll them together. And it's going to make 1 bead with 2 colors. You can roll them like this and then you can twist them. See, give it a little twist to really get the colors mixed, but not too much, because you still want to be able to see both of the colors. And that is what it looks like when it's all done. You have a 2-toned or 2-colored bead. Now here comes the fun part, turning your ball of Play-Doh into a Play-Doh bead. You just take your straw and you press it into the Play-Doh ball, and then you pull it out and twist the straw at the same time. Watch, ready? You hold onto your bead, twist and pull, and look, you made a hole perfect enough for a string to go through. And now it's a bead. I'm going to keep doing this until all of my little balls are turned into beads. Now I'm going to take my string and I'm going to start lacing my beads. I put tape on one end of my string because it makes it easier to go through the bead. And there you go. Put the tape side through, pull it all the way to the end, and I have laced my first bead. And I'm going to keep doing this until my necklace is as long as I want it to be. And look, friends, I'm done. I put all the beads on that I wanted, and now I'm just going to let this dry, and then I'll be able to wear it outside like regular jewelry. Fantastic work, friends. I hope you're as proud of your necklace as I am of you and of mine. And I love your work. And as I always say, I'll be back with more videos.